Okay. Okay. Oh boy. Okay, I'm gonna say this parchment paper so you can answer for the other one.
Okay, here we go. Ah. Oh no!
It's just like.
Wait, is it supposed to go up the sides?
I wonder if I
Wait,
should
this
do that
isn't
one
fair! This isn't working! Why did we do this or why didn't you do it?
Why did we do this earlier? Oh no, now it's falling apart.
Ah! Okay. You know what? We're gonna say it's fine.
Okay, this is gonna fall apart. Okay, I'm afraid.
This doesn't quite seem right, guys. Yeah, this isn't really
Okay.
right.
No. Okay.
At least yours will go on the
Moment
side.
of truth. Okay.
Yeah, yours actually covers inside your hand.
Sort of.
That's not fair. How do people just make these pies like just for
I
fun?
think it's. Maybe it's because we didn't have all the ingredients.
But like, how do people make these pies just for fun?
I think if we knew how it worked, it would have gone better.
But like for fun?
Yeah.
Ah! This is not going well.
If I knew what I was doing and it didn't take 2 hours, I think I would do this again. If it didn't take 2 hours.
Well, anybody would do it if it didn't take 2 hours.
Okay. Wait a minute. How long did it take us?
I'm using your water. What?
How long did it take us? How long have we been
I don't know. We stopped.
No, we've not been working on this whole time.
I
We
said
took
we
a break
stopped
for
for
dinner.
dinner.
And a bit longer.
Mommy.
Home.
Did you guys grease your pie plates?
Were we supposed to do
I
it?
assume so.
Oh no.
Wait, did it say that in the directions?
I don't know.
Maybe you're not supposed to. Don't do it if it didn't say to. Maybe they don't. I don't know.
Oh, okay. I don't think we have to. Let's just not. We're just not gonna.
Then don't.
We're just not gonna. It takes so long. I do
Maybe
not.
like this kind of
I do not recommend any of you do this unless you have a lot of time on your hands.
Does this like that?
Okay. Oh. How do we?
Now we
put
have to roll the second one.
How do we put the filling? No, we have to put the filling in. As long as
Wait, don't we roll the second one first?
Nope.
Just so it's ready?
Nope. Okay. Here I am going to.
Wait, does it say you're supposed to put the filling in first?
Dude, doesn't matter. This is not gonna go well. There you go. Okay.
This isn't enough filling. Like
She didn't make enough, guys.
I cut up 3 apples. Why is it so little?
Ah, that's a lot of liquid, man.
Wow. Okay, so
I feel kind of fancy. Oh,
tiny.
that is way too much liquid. All these blueberries decided to like
Look at
puke at once, and now there's a bunch of water.
Look at how small this is.
Ah! Oh my goodness,
It doesn't
this is
even
so
cover
much.
the bottom of the.
I don't know how filled.
Look at this. Look at.
That's not it.
Oh no.
Are you serious? That's so
What
little.
happened? Is this like?
I think there's too much liquid.
I think there's not enough filling.
We are
I'm
having
standing up this like,
problems.
whole time. What am I sitting?
If you like a whole bunch of juice in your pie, maybe this is fine for you. But I've never really made a pie like this, so I don't know if a whole bunch of liquid from the blueberries
We're
and all
gonna
this
say this is good.
stuff inside them is fine. There is too much liquid in this thing. Look at that. Look at all that.
Give me a sec. We're just gonna see how this works.
What is all that?
I'm not really sure.
Like what? If they're supposed to be swimming in something? Like, is that like...
Well, time to roll out the next piece. Where's my other parchment?
No, wait. Are we going to do it in strips?
I don't know. Dun, dun, never change.
Okay, guys, that is a lot of blueberry.
I don't think you needed 6 cups.
Well, I basically used it all.
Oh, maybe you needed
Okay, I
6
didn't really,
cups.
but...
There's some pretty. Wait, I'm gonna get my phone so I can take a picture.
Some things never change. Can't about dandy life fast. I'll be doing whatever so does in summer. Oh, hi.
Okay.
Watch the phone.
Who's with the pies? The table's so messy.
It's 7:45 at night.
The piece is gonna be done at like 9.
I just made this mess. I don't should like stop filming.
I don't know. Should we?
Yeah.
I'll just stop it. Okay, we're filming. We're live.
Okay, so how do we do this?
Wait a minute.
What?
Why are there so many strips? I didn't need that many. Wait, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, it's a
I think
I'm so confused. What did I do wrong? Wait.
Well, I think I'm also doing something wrong.
Oh my god, it's not that.
So that means
Like, what? Okay, I'm not even going to tell you guys how to do this. You're just going to have to look at yourselves. We don't know exactly what we're doing.
no, we really don't.
We're not good people at asking about this. We're basically
It's
just
okay. It's
letting them in
good.
strips and like thinking maybe we're doing something kind of right. Okay. This is weird, dog. I think. So we're not really doing the weaving thing. We're just kind of layering.
No, I'm gonna do the weaving thing.
But you are?
Yes.
This show.
Ooh, that was too short. Oh no, how am I gonna do that?
Some things are always true. Some things never change. Okay, wait. So you like this and then what?
Your competition. You said we don't have competition.
All right. We don't have competition.
However, if you'd like me to show you,
Okay.
would you like me to show you?
Yes.
So basically, you alternate. Oh dear.
Ah, my hands are getting so blueberry.
No, wait. Oh.
Yeah. Okay.
Hey, this isn't too bad.
Right. Okay.
Hey! Okay, there's too much. There's not enough filling. So like, do we just like cut it?
Yes. Well, not doing too bad, right?
This isn't terrible.
I mean, yours is kind of terrible. You can barely see the filling. I mean, you did your weaving
Well,
okay. I just
I think it's just the filling recipe did not allow for enough filling.
Okay, we're officially done.
Wait, selfie.
Oh, right.
No, we gotta get it like look down so you can see.
Oh, I'm gonna take out all my juice here.
Okay.
Okay, Mom, look at that! Look at that! We made off already! Okay, so the pies are done.
They're completely finished and cooked.
Totally.
It is
8:15.
8:15 and we haven't even got the pies put in the oven yet because it's still preheating. I did not have enough filling.
I had a lot of filling, but also I put in too much of the liquid and like the stuff, like water.
Maybe that'll make it 3 times better. We'll see. We'll see how they turn out. But like I had half as much filling as I needed, so I think the filling recipe assumed I was making a smaller pie.
So hers pie is really small. Mine just has a lot of liquid, and I almost feel like it's like a lot of blueberries. But if you
I think
like
it's
to cook
supposed
that,
to.
I think it is too. But I don't know if it's good.
Do you think it's preheated or not?
Why not?
Why not?
We're gonna put our
put
oven in.
But we need to turn the camera off because it's directly in front of the oven. Goodbye.
I may or may not believe in you. Yeah. Oh, I think I have a hair on mine. Ew. Oh no. Ah.
Hey,
I hate this.
whatever. It's okay. We
I
got it.
don't like this.
Log up my channel, but I forgot.
I'm not doing it right. I'm not doing it right. This isn't right.